Where do we begin with a team of such great girls, laughing and joking with most of their hair in curls?
Let's start off with Nikki and her huge eyes, and Candace with her hick music she bumps when she drives.
Don't even get us started on Lauren Flood when she acts like she's black. Or Leah when she's so hyper you'd swear she's on crack.
And then we have Kelly with the sweet, with the heart of gold, and then there's Val who gave us the plague with her stupid cold.
And what about Shalyn with her power pony, or Nella who doesn't like anything but probably a bologna?
And of course Stephanie Singh, who has a sassy mouth. What about Liz, who's so fast you can't see her when the lights go out?
And then there's Rinny who rips through her pants every practice, along with Trini's shaving parties so her legs don't look like a cactus.
Crystal, whose hair is so big it's full of secrets, and Nicole's whose fingers might fall from all the texting.
And then there's Paige who wishes she was a character from Mean Girls, and Morgan who has such baby thighs even when she twirls.
Rich, what? We all know who we're talking about. No one other than Noelle, who's always ready to duke it out.
How about Angie, so tall and mighty, or Sam with her chest cancer because she's so small and tiny?
And then there's Cassie, who's just downright psycho, and Breeze, whose brain is stuffed full of bio.
And last but not least, there's Haley, who's always fixing her hair every minute daily.
We can't forget about our coaches, so wonderful and mean, who keeps us sane when we're about to kill our own team.
Let's start off with Erin, who's just about to pop. Don't get her wrong, she'll still pop a squat.
How about Marnie, who rocks at N64, playing all day on her father's floor?
There's Tom, who always wants to go over signs, even when we're napping and it's clearly not softball time.
And last but not least, there's our coach in charge, always with a Diet Coke, big and extra large.
All this sass. Let's have a great season and kick some ass.